Yeah, hi, this is Kaushik. Today I am going to explain one of my favorite option strategy, which is based on the high weeks. Basic rules of this strategy is India weeks should fall from high RSI value. Here, if you see right, today it started falling down. From high weeks. So what I did is just around 2:30, right? So I started this strategy. So one of these strategies, just we need to short both call and put off Nifty. So here if you see right, around 2:30 I shorted both call and uh, put off Nifty. So the prices is around call premium is around 88 rupees, and put premium is around 90 rupees. So after that, right, I waited for some time. So if you see right, VIX is fallen more. So and it started back. So it started coming back. So what I was I observing my position. So by the time 240, right, so when it turns to green, so by the time the profit was already around 2000 2300. So if you see right, here the call value, here the put, sorry, call. So if you see info, so I started this one at 88 rupees. So within 10 minutes it was reduced to 79. So 10 points I got from call option. But if you see right, this put option didn't increase because of VIX. So if you see right, I got profit from both call and put. So in put side, right, if you see this order info, I shorted at around 90. So by 242, so still this price is 88 below my short price. So I got 300 from put, and around 2000 rupees from call. So how generally it won't work like this. So it will work only sometimes only. So due to high VIX, so VIX is falling down. So I got profit from both call and put. So I got around 2000. So but by the time so VIX started reverse. So what I thought was because today is the high volatile day, so I exited my position around 2:42 p.m. So one of the basic thing to avoid high risk from this strategy is right. So we need to maintain stop loss for both call and put. So better we can give range of 30 to 40% of the premium. So I prefer around 40%. So based on your risk, you can decide how much percentage of uh, stop loss you can keep. So generally most of the time this stop loss won't work. So stop loss won't hit. So but it is required because in sometimes right, Nifty started fall more than 100 points within 15 minutes. So if it falls drastically like this, so call side options won't decrease as put side premium increases. So put side premium will increase more drastically when compared to call side premium based on this VIX. So and also I prefer only weekly options to this strategy because so time value will also give benefit for this weekly options because of this time decay, right? So weekly options won't move when compared to monthly uh, options. So this is the strategy. So I think before doing this one, I think it's better to do some paper trading. on this strategy, so to get some confidence. So thank you guys.